CanDo is a set of tools built on top of Basecamp, a blog, a knowledge base, bulk actions, Zoom meetings, and more. Things you can't do in Basecamp out of the box. All inside the Basecamp you already know and love. Let me walk you through. Hi, I'm Jason from IQTHINK. We make CanDo for Basecamp, and today I'd like to show you our Chrome extension that makes adding cards to any project very simple. So if you go to the Chrome Web Store, you'll find us under CanDo, Supercharge Your Basecamp. As you can see, I already have it installed. Once you install it, you have the ability to just click on the extension from anywhere, select the project that you want to be in, and then select the project. So in this case, I'm going to go to My Project, and then select the Personal Card Table. Once you save it, you can actually create any card table with a description. You can add the URL of the page you are in and a due date from wherever you're browsing. Let's actually see how we can do that. So let's say that I'm, I don't know, on The Verge, and I'm looking at Basecamp now has a totally free version to help you manage personal projects. And I find this very interesting, and I want to be able to save it. So if I wanted to do that in Basecamp, I would have to take this, copy it, go into my account, and then click on my account. So let's just actually add it. And Verge article. And paste it in there, save the card. Now I did a lot of context switching. With the extension, right from the page, I can actually just click on the CanDo extension. I can put a title, so Verge read, Verge article. Hey, free access. Let's share it with the family. And like I said, I can add the URL, so that will add the URL where we're at. And maybe I want to make sure that I read it by next Monday. We're going to go click add, and we can see that it was created. If we go in here, there you go, read Verge article. And this can be done anywhere. So if you're just browsing around and you want to be able to, you remember you have to do something. Oh, I have to, I don't know, buy bread at grocery store. And you just remember that, and you want to make sure that you don't forget to do it tomorrow. There you go. Automatically added. So very quick access. The other cool thing is that once you have the extension installed, you also have the ability to have what we call favorites. So let's say you're in a particular place, maybe you have a particular message, and Basecamp already has some really neat ways to bookmark. You have the ability to mark it as don't forget. But let's say you want to be able to access it always. On the bottom right, we see that we have this thing called Mark Favorite. We're going to go ahead and click on it. Summer All Hands Meeting. Add. And now, from wherever you are on Basecamp, if you click here, you're always going to be able to find it. Nice and quick. That's the extension. Once again, you can download it from the Chrome Web Store. And if you would like to use Basecamp with our tool, CanDo, you can do so by going on Basecamp's website and finding us under integrations for Basecamp, or just going to getcando.com, where we have a lot of other really cool, neat tools that you can use to supercharge the way you use Basecamp. Hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.